Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSaved.com. We are back in Las Vegas and today we are at the Flamingo. This is a first for us, so I want to give you a peek at what this King Cosmopolitan Suite looks like. In case you ever find yourself here in Vegas looking for a fun place to stay, this might just be it. This is so roomy. There is one of the bathrooms. I will bring you back to look at that and show you the other bathroom as well. But right now, let's take a look at this big living space. It is so roomy in here. As you can see, they've got this fun kind of living room type area over here that has this crazy long countertop. You could use it as a desk. There's a big screen TV above it, a mini fridge below it, and then you have a sofa sleeper right here, which again makes for so much room for sleeping here. This folds out into a bed. So awesome. Just lots and lots of room here. As you can see, we'll come over here and show you the dining room area. Again, we are in room 23087. This is on the 23rd floor, which makes for some amazing, amazing views. Look at the decor in here. It has this kind of old Vegas type vibe. And this is probably my favorite part. Just a wonderful view out here of the high roller, the sphere. We'll talk about that in a minute, a lot more in a minute actually. But just look at the surrounding area. You've got a big pool down there, and just the view from here was so nice and relaxing, I thought. And I wasn't sure if the sphere would be a distraction or entertaining, and I actually found it to be really entertaining. So more on that in a minute. Just kind of a fun place to watch out the window and see all the happenings here, but we'll come back to that in a minute. Just can't get over how big this space is actually. As you can see, so here is the king bedroom area. Really like the vibe and feel in here. Another big screen TV, storage space, all of the usuals. I thought this property was really clean. I like the feel of it. And then you have a nice view out this window as well. And again, like this might be one of my favorite views in Las Vegas that is not a strip view. Like it's just kind of at all different times of the day, a really enjoyable view. You've got some mountains in the distance, and then this area down below, you can see where the flamingo habitat is. And it's just really pretty. The pool area, and of course the high roller and the sphere, which again, I'm going to bring you back to because I can't get over how fascinated I was with that. Like it's quite entertaining. And you can see right down there, sometimes you can see a lot of flamingos, but it's just kind of a fun view and a different way to see Vegas. So again, as I mentioned, it felt really clean in here, like the decor. Okay, so now let's take a look at this bathroom area. I loved these sinks. I thought the color in here and the way these sinks are set up is so cool. Just kind of has a really neat feel in here as well. You have a jacuzzi tub, a really big walk-in shower. Again, just super spacious, which if you have several people, would be really nice. Really well done. Felt really clean in here as well. And I just loved the pink. They have all the necessities that you need. Just a really nice layout. And I was really impressed. Overall, really enjoyed this suite. And let me show you this other bathroom over here. Same vibe as the other bathroom, just smaller. Great if you have guests over. Love that it has the sliding door to shut it off from the rest of the room. Just super well done. Feels like a big apartment, really. Lots of storage. I don't know how long you're going to be here, but if you need all this, it's definitely here. So much room to plan, you know. This would also be great for business meetings and whatnot. But let's talk about the view again, because I can't get over it. I would highly recommend requesting this view if you stay at the Flamingo. Look at this of an evening. This was probably my favorite time. The sun's just starting to go down. Now you can really see the flamingos down there. That was fascinating. Just all of this greenery, the pool area. This property has a lot to see and do. It's in a great location. And then, of course, watching the sphere, I could not get enough of it, you guys. It was just, every time I looked out the window, it was something different. And it's like watching art. Of course, a lot of these are commercials and advertisements, but there's something really fun about this. So it might be worth requesting a room or staying here just to kind of take in this new Vegas feel that everybody's talking about. I definitely enjoyed this, and I did not come into this thinking that I would. I thought that this might be a big distraction, but as you can see, it's actually really cool, and I found myself like excited about what might come next. They had some really, really cool features on the sphere, and I might post a video of some other ones, but this is probably my favorite. They had an ocean theme, and you can see like the big whales swimming around. So many cool things on there. So anyway, right out your window, really fun to watch. I would have to say that I really did enjoy our stay here at this property. I will leave all of the details down below in case that the Flamingo is on your list. And I highly recommend it. Really fun place to stay. Great way to take in Vegas. Great location. So many things nearby that you can do to enjoy all that Vegas has to offer. Let me know if you have questions. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.